G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today. Just going to have a quick chat on maintaining, maintenance, longevity, how to make your whole house water filter last as long as it can, okay? So biggest one straight off the bat is before you go to install it is the positioning. The Australian sun's harsh, okay? Anything in the paddock, 10 years if it's plastic and it's just about worn out and gone. Put a cover over it, different game. So if you are going to install the whole house water filter on your house, you might be looking for, I'm in the lower part of Australia, the southern side. So we're just basically trying to look where there's an eave or somewhere to keep the whole house water filter out of the sun. It also helps with the water temperature because the pipes are coming up out of the ground, going through the filter and then back down the other side, etc. So yeah, if you can keep it in a nice, cool, shady spot, beautiful thing. Failing that, grab a cover. Or even do both would be the best way to go. These covers are really rock solid stainless steel covers. They just enclose the whole system. They keep it cool, they protect it, but most of all, they protect it from the sun. And as I said, 10 years in the sun, one of these is going to be gone. Put this cover on it and you're going to be laughing. It'll last a long, 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 long time, okay? Once you've got it installed and it's locked in place, it's going to look like so, it's all happy and it'll handle the elements, etc. But what we're going to do is annually, every year, we're going to come along and change the cartridges inside the housings, okay? So pretty simple task. Just watch the video on how to change your cartridges if you're not still 100% sure at this point of time. But a couple of tips when you're changing those cartridges is to undo the housing and take the housing off, okay? You're going to toss your old cartridge out, make sure it's nice and clean inside, give it a swirl around and a wash with a rag if you need to, and then you'll put your new cartridge in. Make sure you've got a washer on either end for the carbons, argon, etc. Polyspun sediments go straight in. So cartridges in the housing, then just before you go to put the housing back on, you can get water filter grease, okay? And the beauty of water filter grease is you just put some on the thread and screw it up into the top head cap. And when you come along next year, you're just going to be able to open it up so easy, okay? And there's no friction within the thread. And that's how it should be. A water filter housing should unscrew and screw up, you know, most of the way by hand. So let's say we put it back on, we screwed it all up, it's nice and friction free and it's screwing nicely. Once you screw it all up by hand, you put the housing tool on and you just give it a nip, okay? Just tighten it up a little. Worst thing that's going to happen is it's going to dribble or drip and you can tighten it up a little bit more. Some people get on there and they're really tightening them up and tightening them up, and all you're doing is just cutting into the seals on either end of the cartridges and just making a mess of things. And it's hard to get the housing off next year. So they're a great model, great design, been in the country 30 years. Screw them up by hand with a bit of grease and just nip it up and you'll be good to go, okay? Flowing on from there, it's pretty serviced. At that same point of time, when you got the cover off, I like to just get a little banister brush and give it a brush out inside. If there's any spiders in there or something's made a home in there, get it all out. Keep it nice and free and clean if you can. Even a bit of surface spray in there might help deter little critters coming and making a home in there. So just look after on the inside as well. Rolling on as time goes, yeah, and when you're looking at it and doing your cartridge change, it's a great inspection time. Normally, if you're walking past it or you're outside or doing the garden or whatever, you might just have a look at your gauges and just keep an eye on your gauges, make sure that the water's flowing through and everybody's happy and working okay. But also have a look at the pipe work, you know. We sell the hard water Limetrons. So just make sure that if you've got hard water, that it's a nice seal and it's no leaks there. On the other side, you could have a grander device, same thing. Make sure there's no leaks and everybody's happy and it's going well. Maintenance free on Limetrons, home edges maintenance free. With the grander, we like to take the cover off the grander once a year and we apply petroleum jelly or Vaseline, okay? We keep the air off the outside of the big grander devices, make them last forever, and we get the Vaseline all over them, get the air off, and then you can put the cover back on. Same thing applies. Make sure no spiders have made a home in there, etc. Bit of spray if you need to. Failing that, as time goes by, if you walk outside, keep an eye on your gauges. All right, that's the only thing that you can really see. It's going to tell you a story if something's blocking up. So keep an eye on your gauges. Apart from that, you should be good to go. If we can help you in any way, give us a bell, and always happy to have a chat with anybody. So good luck, all the best. Thank you.